Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to update your core mining app for those who have not updated their app. So you simply come to this button, me. Okay, you click on me, then you see this option here. Okay, you see new version. Okay, you click on it, then you can choose any of these URL, this or this. Okay, so let me go with the first one. So I'll simply tap on it, then when I click on it, it will lead me to my browser. Okay, from there I'm going to download it, then I'll click okay, I will accept all cookies, then I'll click on download APK. Okay, then I'll give it some seconds. When you receive this message, you click on download anyway. Okay, you click on here, so let me just click on it. Then the downloading has started already, so let's wait for it to download. Now the download is completed, so I'll click on open. Okay, then I'll click on install, then you wait for it to install. Okay, the installation is in progress. You'll give it some minutes to install. Okay, if you tried to install yours and you discover that the installation was not completed, you make sure that you have enough space. Okay, you make sure you have enough space. Then if you don't have enough space, you can free up some files, some data. Okay, you can free up some memory space on your phone so that the installation will go successfully. So I'll click on open. Okay, to open the app again, let us see the new features that has been added to the app. Okay, this is the first page. Now as you can see, this giveaway option here, it was not there before. Okay, this is one of the few one of the new updates. Okay, so let's click on that giveaway and see what we have there. Okay, now as you can see, the vote, which initially, okay, for those who started mining core earlier, we used to have B here, we used to have T here, and we used to have C here, but now it has changed to POW. Okay, now for any recruit, you can read here, for any person you recruit, you are going to be given 100 votes, and you are going to share that vote in order to get core or BTC. You either share the votes amongst the letter P, O, and W. Okay, just like we do it before when we have B, T, and C. So guys, if you want to earn more core or if you want to earn BTC, you can you recruit more members. Okay, now when you take a look at this section, you see there are people, these are people that have won. Okay, and this is what they won. They won 45.29363 core. Okay, and this is the date they won the core. So guys, if you want to partake in this lucky word vote, you recruit more members. Okay, you recruit more members, you share your referral link, so that you get new recruits. Okay, if you want to see the number of persons that won 888, 88, and so on, you just tap on it. Okay, when you tap on it, okay, here we have no record. Okay, that means nobody has won 888 core. Let us check 88. Wow. Okay, so you can see these are the people that have won $88 worth of core. Okay, look at them here. This is their email address. So this is one of the great features that has been added to the new CoreDAO app. Okay, now let us click on me and see if there is any other thing there. Okay, let's tap on the core icon and see. This is where I'm clicking. Excuse me. Okay, let me click on it. Okay, so here we have, okay, there's nothing that changed. Nothing changed. We still have our BTC, we have our core, we have our ETH, TCA, TCB, and TCC. Then maybe um, when you recruit a miner and you are given core, maybe it will be displayed here. Okay, you are going to see it, the core that you won. It will be in your balance. It will be in your balance section. Okay, guys. So this is the update I wish to bring to you guys. This update has lasted for more than 48 hours. But for those who have not done this, you can quickly do it. Go to your Satoshi app. You update your Satoshi app to enjoy these features. Remember, I just click on hash cards. Okay, so I've been given a formation card of hash rate 5 and rate 10%. So I'll exchange the cards. Okay, you also remember to make use of your gift card. Whenever you recruit a new member, you share your gift card to increase your my hash. Okay, the airdrop is still going on. Always remember to log into your app and click on the claim button. Okay, whenever you have couple of TCA coins here, or TCB or TCC as the case may be. Okay, or if you are not able to claim, or if you didn't log in to claim, remember your account will be suspended pending when you come in, pending when you log into your account and claim your rewards. Okay, then also remember to click at every 24 hours add project. When you click on add project, you click on test coin A, just tap on the space, then you click on claim hash. I hope you can see it. You click on claim hash. So when you click on it, you see the button where you are going to claim the hash. If this counts down, countdown time reaches 0, it is going to bring out the option, the button where you click and claim your 50k hash. Okay, guys. So this is the update I wish to bring to you guys in today's episode of this video. So if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get daily updates. Okay, guys. Feel free to drop your question. If you have any question at all, drop your question at the comment section and I will respond to them in due time. I'll also drop the link to my WhatsApp group in the description, so that if you wish to contact me directly, you can contact me via my WhatsApp group. And therein also you are going to get more updates about Core. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.